ImageShield is the safe, secure, and private way to protect your face and the faces of your family members from deepfakes, scams, and other online abuses. With ImageShield, it's easy to find out whether any of the photos you've shared on social media have been used in a way they shouldn't be. More than 1 in 5 Americans say they've been a victim of photo abuse. You may be a victim right now and don't know it. Here's how to use ImageShield to protect your face and the faces of your family members. After subscribing, upload any number of photos of your face and the faces of family members. The more photos, the better. Choose photos that clearly show your face in a variety of ways, looking directly at the camera and in profile. It's best to choose photos that have been shared on social media, but other photos are okay too. ImageShield is completely private, so no one on our team will be able to see your photos, and no one else will ever have access to them. After you upload your photos, ImageShield will go to work, searching the online world for uses of your face and photos. As soon as our powerful search engine has a report for you, we'll alert you by email to log into your account to see the results. Each report will feature the web addresses of the pages that contain your face or photo. You can click on a link to see how that page and how your face is being used. ImageShield has direct links to the complaint or takedown pages of 20 of the leading social media platforms and websites, so you can quickly report the abuse of your face and have the offending photos taken down. Visit the reports section of your account at any time to see all of the recent reports generated about your face and photos. For more information about ImageShield, visit ImageShield.com.